You can set it up to show system stats, custom images, or even little animations to personalize your setup. It's not just functional, it's a conversation starter for anyone who sees your desk. And right next to that, you've got the multifunction knob. Whether you want to control your volume, scroll through brightness settings, or customize it for your workflow, this knob adds a premium touch and makes everyday tasks super convenient.
You just got your top 5 fixed. Now hit subscribe, save it, and binge the channel. Trust me, you'll want to stick around.